दोस्तों वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. You guys had already read the title and you guys had already know what we are about to do. So without listen, one more thing. Before moving forward in this video, I want to ask a question from you guys. Whatever your opinion is, please let me know in the comment section what you guys think about this. So here's the plan. If you guys want me to do some movie analysis, some story analysis, movies, what type of movies, like every movie related to your culture, regional movies, movies from different countries, movies from different regions, maybe Sri Lanka, India, Pakistan, whatever it is. So if you want to know some hidden facts, some hidden concepts of from a filmmaker's perspective, from a writer's perspective, like you guys already know, I guess I'm into filmmaking and story writing as well. So if you want to know some hidden thoughts and hidden concepts about some movies, about some stories, about a particular scenes, the shots, the camera angles, and the way the actors performed, the way the director shot, or something like that. So overall, if you want me to do movie analysis on movies from different regions, so you guys let me know in the comment section what you feel about that. Whatever your opinion is, if you want me to do that or if you don't want me to do that, whatever your opinion is, please let me know in the comment section. It's open for all. And if you guys agree with my point, if you guys agree that you want me to do that, so go in the comment section, write yes, I agree, and after that give me some good movie suggestions that you want me to watch and you want me to analyze on that thing. So coming back to this video, you guys already know what we are about to do, so without further ado, let's get into it.
සඳට තිර ඇදලා මගේ ළඟින් මිදිලා ඇගෙදේ තොල් ඉඹලා එන්නේ පාදුබලා කඳුළු මට තියලා ඇයට හිත පොදලා මලට විස පොවලා ඉගිලුනා බඹරා හිතම බිඳී නුඹ වරදී මම නෑ පැරදී Hey Mr. Love යනවා නම් අතහැරලා ආයෙ හිතිලා එනවා නම් මෑ දොර ඇරලා
Beautiful ladies are here again.
ඔළුවේ අත තියලා ඇස්වලින් දොඩලා මගේ මැනික කියලා
You go, girl.
I hit it up in a lot of men gonna 알아라 이래봐 소야라 나는 내봐 예뻐서야
Boy, let's talk about the video first. Okay, we're gonna separate this video in two parts: video format and the song format. Matlab, not like two parts, literally two parts, but this video will talk in two separate things. So let's talk about the video thing. Video was entertaining. The shots was engaging, I'd say. The visuals they created and the setup. The first setup was the restaurant setup, where they were all cooking in a uniform, right? Second setup was the prism setup. You know what I mean? The girls were walking, the dancing, the singing, the black theme and the neon triangle, the prism setup, right? That was the two setup. The most catchy setup was the prism. You know what I mean, right? The eye thing and all, because it catches, you know, when you light a thing in a dark room, it catches your eyes so dreadfully, so fast. So that was the reason. The best setup was the prism setup, the dark setup. Restaurant setup was like, okay, that's nice, that's good, that's beautiful, that's colorful. That setup was kind of that, but the powerful setup was that prism setup and the uniform thing. Okay, that's the video part. And one more thing about the video was entertaining, especially the end part, especially the climax part. I literally laughed on that, because, you know, like the cheating thing and all, everyone just caught him red-handed. He was like that, you know, that water spill. So yeah, the video was entertaining. So now let's talk about the song thing. As usual, Kochi, I had already made a video of Kochi, on Kochis for like 2 videos, I guess. I had made 2 videos on Kochi, and they are these ladies are so beautiful, like in every aspect. Whenever I make something related to them, I always get a credit, and not from anyone else, from them only, from the Kochi. I always get credit. I made 2 videos on them, and I got literally credit, and they actually appreciated me for that. So they are like the most lovely people I ever contacted with, ever, like in every aspect, seriously. And the song was catchy. The beats was actually the most interesting part of this video. I literally genuinely want to talk about. That was beats. The beats was like, you know, hip hop, pop, and you know, regional. That was kind of that, the mixture thing, you know. That's how they created, you know, there's a moment in this song when there's this trance thing. If you notice, if you listen this song again, you'll notice this thing. There's actually a moment of trance thing when, you know, the chorus ends, a chorus of 1 para to chorus of starting point of 2nd para. The between, you know, the space between them, there's this trance thing. That's the best part of this song. That's the best part of the beats, and I actually loved everything about this song. The concept, the video, the editing, the themes, the music, the song, the lyrics. I don't know about the lyrics, but I am sure that's interesting, because everything is interesting. So दोस्तों, if you like this video, please give a thumbs up. चैनल पर नया तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके जाना. And the question that I asked you regarding of movie analysis and all, whatever your thoughts are, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to do that, please. आज की वीडियो में इतना था. मैं आपसे मिलता हूँ अगली वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए टाटा, बाय बाय, शब्बा खैर. See you in the next one.